Hello, and welcome to Soul Food Cooking. Today I'll be making potato stacks. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees. You will need 8 gold potatoes, 1/3 cup of Parmesan cheese, 1/3 cup of mozzarella cheese, 3 tablespoons of melted butter, 1 teaspoon of fresh thyme, 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1/2 teaspoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of kosher salt, and 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper. Using a mandolin, slice the potatoes to 1/16 thickness. Place the potatoes in a large bowl, then add the butter and thyme. Now add the salt, pepper, garlic powder, and onion powder. Add the Parmesan and mozzarella cheeses, then mix until well combined. Stack the potatoes, then place them in a lightly greased muffin tin, then transfer them to your preheated oven. Allow them to cook for 1 hour. After 1 hour, remove them from the oven, then allow them to sit for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, they are ready to serve. If you're looking for a great side dish to add to your holiday table, then give these potato stacks a try. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Soul Food Cooking.
Hello and welcome to my channel. We're getting to share with you the foods that I love to make and my recipes. At Soul Food Cooking class, you will learn to grasp how to make great food with steps made for you. Videos, quests